this video, I will describe how to use the Lessons tool in Laulima. Lessons is extremely important because this is where all of the course content is housed. So this information is released weekly. And as you can see, for the first week, there are 3 parts. Because this is a summer course, we have to condense about 16 weeks of content into 6 weeks. So for most of the weeks, there will be more than just one part. So please make sure you go through all of the parts completely. And to access the different lessons, you'll just go ahead and click on the button. So we'll start with week 1, part 1. And each lesson will begin with an overview with objectives, and then make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see this gray section to let you know if there are more pages involved in this piece of the lesson. So what you want to do here is click on Next, and that will take you to a new page. And then we can scroll down and you can see that the lessons are made up of text and also videos, so there's a variety of content. Also, carefully go through because some things are kind of hard to see unless you are really intentionally going through the content, such as this link to a PDF. So then you can see that we have another piece of this lesson, so we have a new page. And also, I forgot to mention that for the videos there are some tips, like troubleshooting kind of tips, maybe for example if the video is blurry, that you can use to improve the quality of the video as you view it. So also these little conversation sections where I ask questions and you have an opportunity to answer those questions. This is optional. You don't have to answer these. They're not graded, so it's just a way to try to incorporate the content with yourself. So we'll scroll down and you can see there's yet another part. We cover a lot in this first week. This is some review information, and then at the bottom we'll see activities, assignments, and lesson recap. This is the end of this part of this lesson, and each lesson will end with a lesson highlight over covering an overview of the content for the entire lesson. And you can see that this is the end because there's not another button here to take us to a new page. So again, please carefully go through the content each week for each part of each lesson. And if you have any questions about any of that content, please let me know. Thank you.